Do you love me? Do you need me?
We out here. Going to meet up with Eddie, Supermoto Sunday, first one for me, at least on this bike. We got Tyler Monaghan and Bailey, and we're supposed to meet up with Craig at some point. He's got to go to a birthday party, and then we're going to try and get Rowdy Red out of bed. What's up, brah?
How come I don't got you?
I don't know. Hello?
Hey, what's up?
Hey, what are you doing?
Headed that way. Where are you guys up to?
We're on Lake Ave, headed towards the beach, but we're going to this little off-road park with the bikes. If I can tell you where we're going to be at, if you want to meet us.
Yeah, I mean, I'm headed down 31 right now. Whereabouts is it?
It's you know where Stone Road is?
Yeah.
It's going to be right near Stone. I can meet you right near Stone and Lake Ave.
Alright, I probably won't be there till a little after 1. It's a fucking ride down 31, but...
That's alright. Yeah, just
still like over by the school there?
Yeah, maybe just pull into the gas station right there at the corner and I'll meet you over there.
Alright then.
Yeah, give me a shout. Bye. First time taking this bike, if you would consider this off-road. Yeah, this is pretty dope. Checking out these hills are pretty cool. I'll tell you what though, with this this gearing I got, I'm running 1442 on these Sumo wheels, and the gearing really isn't that bad because of this wide ratio transmission. It's pretty cool. This is kind of cool back here.
Yeah,
The roots. The roots. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Fucking sliding down this thing. Oh. I'm gonna tractor up this. Oh, come on, girl. Oh, fuck. Where you at?
I'm about to pull into the gas station.
All right, we'll be there. We'll be there in a minute.
Alright, then.
That's it. Yo.
Yeah.
Craig's pulling into the gas station now.
Okay. You gotta go?
Yeah.
lot shittier than you would think.
Yeah. Well,
Is he gonna try it?
I don't know. I think he's gonna record you.
I should have wheelied the first one.
Woo! Hit it. Yeah, boy.
Pull it, jump all the way over.
Yeah. Yeah. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh yeah, there's a sewer line right there too.
Yeah.
It's fucking slick as shit too.
Yeah, you just gotta look out for those sewer like shut off or something over here in the grass that's sticking up.
Yeah, I almost hit it.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's the I don't remember this retaining wall being here.
Yeah, I was there.
I think this is the one Eddie and I were crack-a-lacking.
Over here, right?
Yeah, you can ride around the pond there, but you just can't. You slip into it, you're done.
You're just gonna be swimming.
Free bike wash. Whoa, whoa.
That's fucking wet.
Yeah,
That grass is wet.
yeah.
Hey, all I did was spin the whole way up it.
Whoa. Yeah, he cleared it. Yeah. Jeez.
Spinning.
Oh shit.
You can't throttle the bait.
Not at all.
That is nice.
Easy.
I just had to roll up it. You know what I mean?
Tyler, you been to the golf course? Have you been to the golf course? Really? Oh, we gotta go to the golf course now. Eddie's coming in hot. On where?
I see you.
Oh, okay. I don't know where you're at.
We're over here.
Gotcha.
Top of the hill.
Okay. I'm coming.
Is this the fan shit where the meter fucking heated?
I think so. Yeah. That's it.
Turn your left. Hello.
I'm coming, baby. I'm coming.
Hello.
Oh. Oh, Jesus. Did I get you?
No, I almost fucking lost it. The front end just washed out.
Yeah, it's very unfamiliar right now. Oh, come on, baby. Don't go right, Eddie.
Yeah, this was like a little warp.
Yeah.
She don't like that grass, boy. She don't like it. A little bit.
No. Yeah, you bring that alt out here, you could be out here all day if the battery would last. Dude, we came out, first time I came out here, second time I came out here, there was like 4 or 5 of us, and we came out and like 25 people came out of the woodwork. Silveralls, everybody was out here for like 5 hours. We just rode. If you go on the north side, they get kind of pissed because of the sounds of the bikes. You come on this side, they don't hear nobody. Nobody bothers you over here.
What is that big building? Probably the people over there.
No, there's a cul-de-sac on that side.
Yeah. That's probably where the cops pull up, huh? Over there.
Yeah, there's a park. Which side is it? That little oval track we were just on, if you kept going straight, it ends at a park. So, but they were too close to the houses. You come over here and people ride all the time over here. Ooh, that was a rim. Oh.
Frickers. Ah! Don't go down the right.
Oh.
No. There's some guy right there.
That's the people. Those are the people.
Well, there used to be, there was a pond here somewhere.
It's over here, forward, and to the left. I don't know if it was a pond or just a wet area, but the whole uphill thing is like kind of
over here, right?
overgrown. Yeah, like right here. And this is the
This thing.
this is the uphill. And I think
Yeah,
it has to come from over here.
Brup.
When you get it up there so high, it's so easy, you can just fucking never set it down.
Go left.
Turn.
Yeah.
I've done one.
Boop.
There's my first one, Joe. Check out these pants over here. Watch out.
Yeah, they match your bike. Yeah, look at her. She waved at you. She likes them.
She knows I like that pants. You. She's after me.
Yeah. Those are what do you call it when they cover the fucking the vehicles and that before they come out they wrap them in that wrap so you can't recognize what they are.
Oh, like a fucking
Prototype.
Yeah, perfect.
That's a prototype ass. Oh! I'm trying to get used to playing with my back brake. That's why I keep coming down, because I'm very, very bad at not covering the brake, and I just ride them.
I cover it. I just don't ever touch it.
Yeah.
Unless I get in trouble, or I feel like
Yeah.
I got, like the other day I tried to do a one-hander.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I want to start like rocking it back a little bit and get comfortable with it. Just trying to slow them down, because I just click into like fourth and just ride it. But
That one got away from me a little bit.
yeah.
Now the sketchy ones for me are when I do the one knee, because I fucking use my knees and I need my brake foot.
Yeah.
That's the one that I don't really love much of.
Yeah. Wear your mask.
In your own car, you dipshit.
No, it's worse when they're like by themselves and they gotta wear a mask. Oh yeah, there's security in there now. You see them? See the white cars out at the end? Trees probably in the way. We were gonna go in there. But those two white cars at the end of the parking lot, there's security. Yeah. We're just gonna get kicked out anyways.